Unboxing ITOUCH 24. As you can see, this is what the package looks like. It comes with a nice premium feel to the box. Looking on the inside, you'll notice that the machine is a bit smaller with a very nice feel to it. On the side, you'll notice a power button. Right below it will be your intensities for plus and minus. Your A and B ports are on top of the unit, and on the side will be your charging port. Keeping in the button to switch the machine on, you'll notice that there's 6 squares. It's very similar, just not touchscreen. Keeping the button, it will switch off. On the inside of your box, you'll get a little manual. You'll also see there's an acupuncture chart with a chart and a map as well that I highly recommend that you laminate. You'll also get a lifetime warranty form. As you can see, basic warranty only covers manufacturer issues, as premium covers everything including negligence. You'll also receive an extra large pad, which is a set, as well as a medium set pad, as well as another medium set pad, your 2 cables, as well as the pad holder for your medium set pad. It also comes with a charger, USB, except it does not come with a adapter. So that means you can use any adapter which you use to charge your phone, or you can just connect it to your laptop or connect it to your car charger as well. That's the unboxing for the 24.